Multiplying numbers using long multiplication. Ever wonder how bakers measure ingredients for batches? How much of each ingredient is needed to make 15 batches of biscuits? Let's go through each one to find out. Let's find the amount of flour needed by multiplying the values. Step 1. Align the digits of the multiplicand and multiplier in columns, based on their place values. The 2031 is called the multiplicand, and the 15 is known as the multiplier. Step 2. Multiply the ones digit of the multiplicand by the ones digit of the multiplier. 1 times 5 is equal to 5. Step 3. Multiply the tens digit of the multiplicand by the ones digit of the multiplier. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. But recall that, since 15 is more than 9, we carry the tens digit, 1, into the next column. Place it just above 0. Step 4. Multiply the hundreds to the thousands digit of the multiplicand by the ones digit of the multiplier. 0 times 5 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 we carried, you get 1. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Step 5. Place 0 below the ones digit. Step 6. Multiply 2031 by 1 starting from the ones digit of the multiplicand. Step 7. Add 10,055 and 20,310. This means that, to make 15 batches of cookies, we need 30,465 grams of flour. Try this. Using what you learned, try and find out how much milk is needed to make 15 batches of biscuits. To make 15 batches of biscuits, we need 22,860 milliliters of milk. Follow the steps below to multiply a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. Step 1. Align the digits of the multiplier and multiplicand in columns. Step 2. Multiply the ones digit of the multiplier with the digits of the multiplicand starting from ones to thousands. Step 3. Place a 0 on the ones digit. Step 4. Multiply the tens digit of the multiplicand with the multiplier. Step 5. Add the results to get the product. Challenge time. To complete the ingredients for the biscuits, find out how much sugar is needed to make 15 batches using the clues below. If you like this video, please subscribe and like for more amazing maths quiz.